Channel, it's me Ivana Brooke, and I'm back with this Aveeno moisturizer. This is the Daily Nourishing Moisturizer with sunscreen. This is amazing. This is it. No white cast, none of that mess. I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, so summer is over, and unfortunately, I don't know, I am out of my favorite thing. This is the best thing that I have tried all summer long. This has saved my life, and now I'm not using as good of a sunscreen, which I will review in another video. And this one just, it's great. It's great. They have discontinued this, or they are discontinuing it. It's kind of vague, but this is the Aveeno Active Natural Smart Essentials Daily Nourishing Moisturizer with Broad Spectrum SPF 30, which is everything you need. SPF 30 has everything you need as long as it has UVA and UVB protection. I love this. I cannot say enough good things about it. So it has a typical moisturizer feel. It doesn't leave you feeling greasy at all, but it doesn't have a super matte finish or anything like that. The thing I noticed most is that it isn't tacky at all. It's never tacky. It's just a nice moisturized feeling, and it doesn't leave a white cast. Or in my case, I don't know about y'all, but I can turn purple, I can turn gray, I can turn white. It doesn't matter. It kind of just depends on the chemicals that are in the product. And these just actually really just blend straight into my skin, and it's very refreshing. I've tried the Sun Bum Clear Balm before, and that one wasn't even as good as this one, so I definitely recommend this one. I found mine at TJ Maxx. You can still find them at TJ Maxx. You can find tons of these kind of all over the place. TJ Maxx has them. The best place that I found to find this at a good price is going to be iherb.com. Right now they have it for $10.49, which is good for a drugstore sunscreen, especially Aveeno. Like, some of their moisturizers without SPF are run 10 plus, 13 plus, 16 plus dollars. So I find that to be a really good price. You can also get it on Instacart and Amazon, but yeah, mine was $7.40, which was fantastic. Like, oh my gosh, always check TJ Maxx for like your favorite discontinued or might be discontinued products, because this one was amazing. The thing I like most about the sunscreen is that out of 5 of the different types of sunscreen active ingredients that they have in here, 2 of them are organic compounds. So I just really like that extra touch. I feel like you're getting more for your money just because some of them are organic, and that's just, it's important to me. It should be important to you. I know it's not important to everybody. But the only downside I found to this sunscreen is that there is a fragrance, as well as retinol palmate, vitamin A, which can be a little bit of, I hate this word because I don't know how to say it, comedogenic. I know I'm not saying that right. That's a colonic. I don't fucking know. But it clogs your pores and you don't want it. So yeah, that is the one thing. If you know that you're sensitive to that, if there's no vitamin A, it might break you out. Maybe this one isn't for you, but all the ingredients really worked well on my skin, and I can't wait to all the ingredients actually worked really well on my skin, and I can't wait to get my hands on a new bottle. As far as the bottle, I really love it. Like, it comes with a pump. It's super duper sanitary. As far as how much comes in it, I'm very impressed. This has 2.5 fluid ounces. And for $7, that's really good for sunscreen. This lasted me all summer long, and I put sunscreen on every day, sometimes multiple times a day. So I can't say enough good things about it, honestly. Like, it's a good moisturizer. It's the best day moisturizer I've had in a while, and it's the best SPF product I've tried to date. And that sounds like a lot of claims, but honestly, number one, I haven't tried a lot. And number 2 is it just took the cake. Like, I wasn't white. Like, I didn't look crazy. It's just a good feeling. And I know sometimes, like, I don't know about y'all, but like, the giveaway with my sunscreen is like right here. Like, right here will be looking white as hell, ashy, because it just like kind of runs off from my like eyebrow. I have nothing else to say about this because I'm absolutely gushing about this product. It's just good. It's just good. Aveeno does it again. I have so little complaints when it comes to Aveeno. They kill it. They kill it every time. And the ingredients, I check my ingredients with skincharisma.com. high up there, high up there. I'm gonna overall give it an 8 out of 10 just because nothing's quite perfect yet. And I feel like, you know, we could get, you know, we can get a little bit better ingredients. We can get a little more organic with it. So yeah, 8 out of 10, solid 8 out of 10.